Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to unbox my new gift or my birthday gift. So let's check it out guys. Okay, I got a box here. And this is, oops. Let's check what I got. Let's open this. Okay guys. Whoa, wow. This is a nice big box guys. Their box now is different than before. This is like, you can see. Whoa. Look at this. So I have this is an authentic LV guys. So this is the card, so the receipt that I got. You have to show that, So this is the card. All right, let's check it out. Whoa, very brand new, and I'll show you how it's authentic. This is Speedy 25. So you can tell when it's still brand new guys, very brand new. So it is look pale. The handle. I should have wore a glove, but that's okay. I'll use this anyway. So you can see guys, this is the handle. It really smells like a cowhide leather. Wow, it really smells. You can smell it. So you can see guys, this is how it look like guys. This is 100% authentic Louis Vuitton Speedy 25. So this is my first ever brand new Speedy 25 that I bought in the mall here where I live. The nice mall in Somerset Mall. And you can see I have the, what is it, a lock. Okay, so this is how it look like, but look at like this guy, the stamping Louis Vuitton Paris. So it's just insane there. So let me guess, maybe this is made in USA or what, but let's check. So this is how authentic look like Speedy 25. So the stitching guys is 4 guys, 4 in here, okay? And make sure the hole in here guys is not really in the middle. The fake one, I think I see guys, to be honest, like more farther this way. So this should be the hole right there if it's authentic, So there's a spacing, the space of the stitching and right here guys, okay? So the hardware as well guys, you can see right here, okay? That's how the hardware look like. So pardon my nails guys, okay? So I haven't had so, and also the stitching guys is doubled, 1 2 right here guys, 1 2. You can see it's brownish. It should be the same color as your the canvas, so you can see it's camouflaging there. So as well as the stitching guys right here, it must be at least 5 guys, like this side is 5 and that other side as well, okay? And of course the symmetrical guys, make sure also the canvas, as you can see the V in here, LV design, LV right here design, okay? So the center right here as well guys, okay? So you can see it's lined up, as you can see till to the bottom. And also the stars, making it sure the top as well guys, it's symmetrical. And as you can see, the stars must be end to end right here. And make sure also the other side as well, don't forget that, okay? So let's check inside guys, okay? But wait, let me just show you also here. You can see right here, symmetrical guys, as well on top right here, LV right here guys, okay? So let's check inside guys. Okay, here's the key, okay, of the lock. Here it is. So, okay, so it has the paper here that says Louis Vuitton Paris, okay, coated fabric cowhide leather trim, Speedy 25 monogram. Okay, so these are the paper and the 2 keys. Okay, it should be even the, what is it guys, the clothing or the bag, the dust bag, there should be like where it made from as well. So it is made in India. Okay, it has even code in there. It's like 100% cotton, made in India. Mostly it's made in India actually, or different countries, other countries. Okay, so we're just gonna put this one here. And very interesting guys, you know that the cowhide leather, it look kind of so light and pale. This is 100% authentic guys. I just put it in the story, so just letting you know of that. Here's the other one, the pricing, but I don't have to show that to you guys, okay? And also guys, you know guys, this is, look, you can see guys, look at that. It has all, because it's a brand new one and new style, it has zipper in the pocket. So, you know what guys, the older version, you know, the pocket is more kind of shiny and eventually get peeled off. But this one guys, there's no shiny, so I like it guys, not shiny inside, so it will never get sticky over time. So guys, here is also the hardware. Make sure it's not super like very shiny. It's more kind of, you know, it's not shiny really guys. That's how authentic look like, okay? And more kind of, you know, it's not super really color gold, you know. So let's see, it's fine day code. It's usually at behind the, what is it guys, the flap, okay, of the packet. Wow, this is 2020 guys, super brand new ever, made in USA guys. This is week 39 of 2020. Wow guys, so because you read the first number as week, and also the third combination, and the second will, and to the fourth will be what, the year. So 39 week of 2020, so really brand new guys. So it is like about 10, 20, 30, so it's just recently made guys. So you can see, I haven't used this of course because that's what I am unboxing this. So I know it's made in USA because SD guys. So Louis Vuitton Paris, okay? So there should be a, it says SD made in a USA, okay? So that's how it is. So right here got Louis Vuitton Paris, okay? Super brand new guys. It's like you know. And let's see also the stamping of the number 25 at the back of this right here guys. The stamping, it says 25. So as you can see, that's how you look it up if it's authentic or not. You know, the symmetrical design. Okay, so make sure it's, you know, it's how it look like. So nice and pretty guys. Just smells really leather. And also make sure guys, you know, you will see it's not it's a little bit tiny wrinkly. I think that's how it made it's because of the stitching, although that's how it look like. Over time the handle turned into what, brownish, because from the oil. You know, you can see it's super new, and I'm so happy that I got this because my birthday guys, my birthday gift. Okay, so pretty and cute, and I think it's perfect size because I don't like a really big bag. Super nice, guys. I can smell the leathery, expensive bag. So it has like what? The ring also, guys, right here, guys. One of the, right here. Okay. And make sure everything look well in the stitching, guys. And also, the stitching must be accurate, guys. Like, even the stitching must be look like that. Okay, the color of the thread, you know. So I just bought it in Somerset Mall. So where is that? Here, guys, I'll show you the Somerset Mall. Here it says right there, Louis Vuitton Paris. That's even the address, guys. Okay, so showing you this is authentic 101%. So I even use my visa in this, guys. Okay, so see, just showing you guys. I don't buy fake one, guys, because I rather buy a real one, you know, or save some money, you know, and get a real one. And it's nice. I just buy once in a while when occasion. So guys, I hope you learned something, guys, okay? And thank you for watching. Yay! And have a great day, guys. Please like, comment, or subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet to my channel. Okay? So this is the dust bag as well. So it has a what? Right here, authentic. You'll see authentic dust bag will be made in India. This is 100% cotton. Okay? Have a nice day. Bye-bye, guys. See you soon. My next vlog or video. Bye for now.